Mastering AI and ML. AI excellence demands secure deployment, or else. How can we establish and maintain operational excellence in our organization to ensure that AI and ML models are deployed and managed in a secure and compliant manner, aligning with industry standards and regulations, and minimizing the risk of data breaches and other security threats? The pursuit of operational excellence, a journey of continuous improvement. As I delved into the world of artificial intelligence and machine learning, I couldn't help but think about the importance of operational excellence in ensuring the secure and compliant deployment of these powerful technologies. It's a crucial aspect that can make or break an organization's reputation and trust among its stakeholders. My mind wandered back to a conversation I had with the CEO of a leading tech firm who shared his concerns about the vulnerabilities of AI and ML models. He confided in me that despite having the best intentions, his team struggled to maintain the integrity of their models, often compromising on security and compliance in the pursuit of innovation. I felt a sense of empathy, knowing that his concerns were not unique to his organization alone. Many organizations struggle to balance the need for innovation with the imperative of operational excellence. It's a delicate balance that requires a deep understanding of the complexities involved. As I explored this conundrum further, I realized that operational excellence in AI and ML is not just about technical proficiency, but also about cultivating a culture of discipline, accountability, and continuous improvement. It's about recognizing that the pursuit of excellence is a never-ending journey, not a one-time achievement. So, how can organizations establish and maintain operational excellence in AI and ML? From my observations, it begins with a commitment to establishing clear goals and standards, aligned with industry regulations and standards. This provides a framework for the organization to operate within, ensuring that every stakeholder is on the same page. Take, for instance, the example of a leading financial institution that I had the opportunity to work with. They recognized the importance of operational excellence in AI and ML, and embarked on a journey to establish a center of excellence. They began by defining clear policies and procedures, outlining the roles and responsibilities of each team member, and establishing a robust governance structure. As they progressed, they realized the importance of investing in continuous training and development programs, ensuring that their teams were equipped to handle the complexities of AI and ML. They also recognized the value of collaboration, encouraging cross-functional dialogue and knowledge sharing across the organization. Throughout this process, I sensed a palpable sense of ownership and accountability among the team members. They realized that operational excellence was not just a management imperative, but a collective responsibility that required their active participation. One of the most significant challenges they faced was the need to balance the pace of innovation with the imperative of security and compliance. To address this, they established a robust risk management framework, which enabled them to identify and mitigate potential risks in real time. Through this process, they were able to deploy and manage AI and ML models in a secure and compliant manner, minimizing the risk of data breaches and other security threats. Their commitment to operational excellence had paid off, earning them the trust and confidence of their stakeholders. As I reflect on this journey, I'm reminded that operational excellence in AI and ML is not a destination, but a continuous journey of improvement. It requires a deep understanding of the complexities involved, a commitment to discipline and accountability, and a willingness to learn from failures and setbacks. Ultimately, it's about recognizing that operational excellence is not just a technical imperative, but a cultural one. It's about cultivating a mindset that values continuous improvement, collaboration, and accountability. As I often say, the best way to predict the future is to create it. By committing to operational excellence, organizations can create a future where AI and ML are deployed in a secure, compliant, and responsible manner, driving growth, innovation, and prosperity for all. Establishing and maintaining operational excellence in AI and ML model deployment and management requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses people, processes, and technology. To ensure secure and compliant deployment and management of AI and ML models, organizations should implement the following measures. 1. Establish a centralized AI and ML governance framework. Create a governance framework that outlines the organizational policies, procedures, and standards for AI and ML model development, deployment, and management. This framework should address data privacy, security, and ethical considerations. The governance framework should be reviewed and updated regularly to ensure alignment with changing industry standards and regulations. 2. Implement a risk management framework. Develop a risk management framework that identifies, assesses, and mitigates risks associated with AI and ML models. This framework should include risk assessments, threat modeling, and vulnerability management to ensure that AI and ML models are resilient to potential security threats. 3. Develop and maintain model inventory and lifecycle management. Create and maintain an inventory of all AI and ML models, including their development, deployment, and retirement. Establish a model lifecycle management process that ensures models are trained, validated, and deployed in a secure and compliant manner. 4. Ensure data quality, integrity, and security. Implement data quality control measures to ensure that data used to train and deploy AI and ML models is accurate, complete, and reliable. Establish data encryption, access controls, and data masking to protect sensitive data. Implement data loss prevention, DLP, and data leakage prevention, DLP, measures to prevent unauthorized data access or breaches. 5. Implement secure development practices. Adopt secure development practices, such as DevSecOps, to ensure that AI and ML models are developed with security in mind. Implement secure coding practices, code reviews, and penetration testing to identify and remediate vulnerabilities. 6. Establish continuous monitoring and auditing. Implement continuous monitoring and auditing of AI and ML models to ensure they operate within established parameters. Use logging, monitoring, and analytics to detect anomalies, unauthorized access, or data breaches. 7. Develop and implement incident response and recovery plans. Establish incident response and recovery plans to respond quickly and effectively in the event of a security breach or data incident. Ensure that plans are regularly tested and updated to ensure effectiveness. 8. Provide ongoing training and awareness. Provide ongoing training and awareness programs for developers, engineers, and data scientists on AI and ML security best practices, regulatory requirements, and industry standards. Ensure that personnel understand the risks and consequences of insecure AI and ML models. 9. Establish partnerships and collaborations. Establish partnerships and collaborations with industry experts, academia, and research institutions to stay abreast of emerging trends, threats, and best practices in AI and ML security. 10. Continuously review and refine operational excellence. Regularly review and refine operational excellence in AI and ML model deployment and management. Conduct lessons learned exercises, after-action reviews, and retrospectives to identify areas for improvement and implement changes as needed. 11. Establish key performance indicators, KPIs, and metrics. Establish KPIs and metrics to measure the effectiveness of operational excellence in AI and ML model deployment and management. Use these metrics to identify areas for improvement and optimize operations. 12. Engage independent third-party audits and assessments. Engage independent third-party auditors and assessors to evaluate the effectiveness of operational excellence in AI and ML model deployment and management. Use audit and assessment findings to identify areas for improvement and optimize operations. By implementing these measures, organizations can establish and maintain operational excellence in AI and ML model deployment and management, ensuring that models are deployed and managed in a secure and compliant manner, aligning with industry standards and regulations, and minimizing the risk of data breaches and other security threats.